Hello friends, today we will know about how we set screen overlay detected. First, mm, first you have to go your Play Store. After going Play Store, you have wait. After going, you tap option and in and type in install button unlocker. Click on it. And the first you have to download. I was already download it, and you have to download and type open. Install button unlocker. Please tap in and it open. Apps that can draw over the apps. Okay, what some permit drawing over the app. Okay, and go to back and go to after permission. It have to add storage. Allow and it solve. Okay friend, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and